Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney and I am so excited that you are here today for another Stitch Fix unboxing. I've been pumping out the boxes lately, so I thought I would share everything that I got in my most recent Stitch Fix with you all. I did ask for some more fall inspired items here in Arizona, so let's go ahead and get right on in to the items that I received and also the try-on. Alrighty, so I got my big Stitch Fix box here. So let's go ahead and get right on into it. I haven't even opened the item or the box yet. Okay, so if you are not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a subscription clothing service. So you are sent 5 items each month. You do pay a $20 styling fee. Your $20 styling fee goes towards items that are in your box. So if you choose to keep any of your items, that $20 is applied as a credit towards your box. Girl math, that means you get $20 off, but you get 5 items. You work with your stylist to get these 5 items sent out to you. You keep what you like, you pay for what you like, and then you send back what you don't, and they make it super easy. Free shipping both ways. So inside my box, I have my return package here. So it's pre-labeled. I just put everything inside that envelope, drop it off at the post office, and it's all sent back and taken care of. And then everything else inside my box looks like it's coming apart a little bit. You get your bundle of clothing. And then you also get a little note and styling cards from your stylist. So my package is falling apart a little bit here, but you get a bundle of your clothing items. So they send you this bundle wrapped up in this paper. It's your 5 items. All right, let's get the paper out of the way here. And then typically there's also an envelope. Here we go. I'm not sure what happened to my box this time. You get an envelope and your style cards, which I already mentioned, but inside your envelope is your receipt. So I like to take a look here. I have all 5 of my items. I get my subtotal, which is $441. My buy all discount, if you buy all 5 items, you get 25% off. So that's $110 off. So my subtotal for this box is $330.75, a pricier box. And then I don't pay for my styling fee because I have what's called Style Pass with Stitch Fix, so I got unlimited fixes, and I don't know how you get that, but after a certain time of getting fixes, then I was eligible for the Style Pass. This is my 43rd fix, so I've received 43 Stitch Fix boxes previously. And then again, I get a note from my stylist, and then these little cards that tell me how to style the items or suggest how to style the items that I was sent. So it says something like, can you believe it's already October? I picked out some of my pieces personally, so they send you like a preview and you can pick out some of your items. And then I also requested a black pair of Pistola denim, so she went ahead and added a pair. And then it says, if they say Cosmic Blue Love, this is because they are rebranding, but rest assured they are Pistola brand. Not sure. Those are 2 different brands, I thought, so we can see. But, and then she just suggested how to style some of these, and then just said, let me know what you think. So let's go ahead and get right into some of the items that I received here. I'll let you know what the item is. I'll try to put below what the item name is, and then the price of the item, and also the size that I'm wearing. So the first item that I have here, I'm not going to go in order of my receipt, but I asked for like some sort of turtleneck, like tank top, sweater or something. I love a good turtleneck. I'm wearing this mock neck today, which is from Lulu's. I'll have this link down below, but this is the, I believe, the Armor Vert mock neck Paris rib knit top in a size large, black. This is an $88 top. However, while this is a pricey top, if this fits me well, I will absolutely keep this. This is perfect for work and perfect for the climate that I'm in. So it's a black this says mock neck, I believe. Did I say mock neck? Yeah, mock neck, but it looks like a little turtleneck. Black short sleeve, ribbed material, very nice and lightweight. So I cannot wait to try this item on. Again, this is pricey, but this would be a staple in my closet. So I'm hoping that this fits how I want it to. The next item that I received is the Sanctuary Under the Stars Chanel sweater in a size large. This is off-white, and this is $69. This is just like a pretty basic Chanel cream sweater, kind of like that waffle pattern on it. It looks very comfortable, very cozy. We'll see. I probably don't need this in my collection at all, but it looked comfortable. So we'll try that on. And then that sweater was actually on top of the black denim, so it's got some little cream fuzzes on it here. But this is the Pistola Ariel Skinny Distressed Fray Hem Jeans, $88, size 12. Again, these say Cosmic Blue Love. So I'm so confused because I thought these were two different brands, but we have the Pistola Fray Hem black denim. I was actually looking for something that might be like more on the wide leg or like straight leg path, but we'll try these on. These are in a size 31. These, again, I don't know if I said, these are $88. Another pair of denim, I got some Just Black denim. This is the Just Black Vintage Crop Flare Jean Indigo, size 12, $98. These are like a little like flared hem denim. I do like Just Black. They are made in the US, which I also really like. And then like a standard denim color. And then I was super excited when I saw this in my Fix preview. This is the Free People Movement by Free People Warm Down Sweater. And this is off-white, size large, $98. I love, love, love Free People. So it's like this colored block, off-white and cream, really cozy, comfy sweater. I'm a Pure Barre teacher, so I teach barre classes in addition to my full-time job. And this kind of thing is so comfy, cozy to wear to the studio in the fall and in the winter. So those are the 5 items that I got. Again, this total box is $441. My buy all discount $110.25, $330.75 for all 5 items. Let's go ahead and try these on and see how they fit. Okay, so first 2 items are on. I just prefer to film with my phone instead of my camera when I'm doing this try on. This is the Free People sweater. I love it. It is so oversized though, so I have to really think about this, but I love, love, love the collar blocking. I love that it has these like button or these like snaps up here to be able to kind of give it like that full funnel neck vibe if it's actually chilly. But if it's not, you can fold it down to like that collared style, which I really, really love. To me, I'm picturing this with like some black Lulu Aligns would be like the ideal like way to wear this. It is very, very oversized though, like I said. So like it can almost probably go down to a medium, which is typical for me. In Free People, I love it has like black underneath like that. It's so, so cute. But really, really long in the back, completely covers behind. Again, wear this like a collar. It's very lightweight. You have thumb holes, the color blocking. It's very comfortable, very, very comfortable. So I'm gonna put this on with some leggings or maybe those black pistolas here in just a moment. These are the Just Black ankle or cropped flare denim. They're like low rise. I can't even button them, zip them, so obviously that's a no. Just Black is so bizarre to me because I can wear a 31 in some of theirs and I can not wear a 31 in some of the other styles. Like their sizing is very, very odd to me, but these do not fit, so these will be a no. So automatically out of the 25% discount, but this is really cozy. I'm probably gonna leave this on, put on some leggings or those black pistolas to see what it would look like with like a skinny version of this. But yeah, let's go ahead and put the Just Black denim on. Okay, so I threw on the Pistola Cosmic Blue Love, whatever these denim, this black denim is. These are so insanely comfortable. You can see they have like some distressing at the ankle. They're very much skinny jean jegging vibes. They hit me right at my ankles, which is where I prefer. And then this is with the Free People color block sweater. Again, can go like full funnel neck vibes. But yeah, I mean, I think this would be so cute with leggings, but let me know what you think in the description box about this. Is this oversized? Should I get like a medium of this. Maybe I can see if it's on the Free People website, like around Black Friday, Thanksgiving time, to see if I can get it on a discount. But yeah, I mean, that's what it looks like. This denim, love this denim. Like, they're very, very comfortable, very stretchy. I love the little like distressed detail by the ankle. But let me know what you think about this. Let's try on a different top. All right, kept the black Cosmic Blue Love / Pistola denim on, and then threw on the chenille sweater. Don't remember what brand this was. Let's see if I can. Sanctuary. So this is the Sanctuary off-white or cream chenille sweater. It is like, it's right at your hip level. I love a good front tuck. So that's what it looks like with a front tuck. But this is very comfortable, very soft, just like I would expect of this fabric. Not much shape, but cuts at a cute place. Very cozy. I mean, it's a very nice sweater. Sanctuary tends to be on the higher end of prices for me for Stitch Fix for a sweater. Again, I live in Arizona, so it's like, you know, I don't wear sweaters that frequently, but it's very comfortable. I'll have to just see if it's something that I want to end up keeping or not, but these denim is so freaking comfortable. So I just love these black jeans, which I own black jeans, but none of them feel this comfortable. Even though I wanted like a wider leg, I'm really, really enjoying the fit of these. And then, yeah, I mean, this is nice. Good little Thanksgiving sweater. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Okay, these jeans are my own denim from Anthropologie. They're just like a flare leg jean. But this is the mock neck, the black mock neck, short sleeve ribbed shirt. It's giving The Rock vibes, 1000%, especially with my necklaces like this. If you know, you know. But I really love, as I take you out of focus, this is the mock neck with some like cute hoop earrings. I love it. It is so comfortable. I love the short sleeve. Because again, I'm in Arizona, like it's fall. I want to feel the fall vibes. Like the mock neck is giving me the fall vibes. Oh, maybe it's supposed to be like folded. Okay, there we go. I'm trying to pull it up higher than it needs to be, but the mock neck is giving me the fall vibes. The black is giving me the fall vibes. It fits really well. It's nice and fitted. I can tuck it in. I can untuck it. I can wear it a little longer, throw a belt on. But I love, love, love how this fits. Even though it's pricey, I think this is going to be an absolute yes, because again, I will just get so much wear out of this item. Excuse the dirty mirror, kids. But yeah, I mean, this is with, again, like a flare leg denim from Anthropologie, but like this is so my style for casual, for work, for all the things. So I think this is a yes, but let me know what you think about the other items down there. Okay, so try on is now complete, and hopefully you guys enjoyed that little try on. But going back through all of the items that I received, I'm not going to do what I typically do, which is like I hold up the item once again. I'll try my very best. I'm gonna try to level up some of my editing, but put like a little video within a video down here so you can see as I'm talking about the item. But first item, the Just Black Vintage Cropped Flare jean. That was a no. They didn't fit me. Those were $98, but I couldn't even button them. So obviously I will not be keeping them. The next item is the Free People little like collared sweater, excuse me, the warm down sweater. That is $98 for that. I just can't decide if I would want to size down to a medium, or if I should keep the large and keep the oversized fit. It's very, very comfortable. $98 is a fair price for Free People, even though it is pricey. Next up was the Sanctuary Under the Stars chenille sweater. That's the cream sweater. That was $69. I don't need that in my wardrobe. I have other cream sweaters that will satisfy like that gap in my wardrobe. So I think I will end up passing on that. And again, that was $70 for that item. The next two items that I definitely think I will be keeping, no matter if I keep the Free People item or not, is the Pistola or the Cosmic Blue black denim. They just fit really, really well. Those were $88. And then the mock neck rib top, I really enjoyed the fit of that as well. And that was also $88, which is very pricey for like a mock neck t-shirt essentially. But the fit was really, really great. And it is something that's satisfying like a need in my wardrobe right now. So if I were to keep those three items and send back the Sanctuary and the Just Black denim, I'm looking at $274 plus tax. $330.75 was the buy all discounts. Like I essentially could have gotten those other two items for $56 total. But I just don't need them and it doesn't seem right to keep them. The only item that I'm debating is the Free People top. I think I'll get a lot of wear out of it, but if I don't keep that, then it's $176. But let me know your thoughts down below. What items would you keep? What items would you send back? Would you change out any of the sizes? I'm excited to hear what you guys all think of this fix. So keep me posted down below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one.